So in this video, I am going to show you how to create a cent account on Vantage. Vantage allows you to trade in cents, just like other brokers such as XM that allow you to trade in micro of US dollars, which is the equivalent of cent account too, is also a cent account. So when you enter one lot, it is not going to be deducting $10 or adding $10 the way it does on a standard account. Rather, it will be deducting 0.0 of a dollar. That is the advantage of a cent account. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to create that on Vantage. So this is my Vantage app. Click on the Vantage. So you need to log into your account. If you have not created an account with them, I have shown you a video showing you how to create a Vantage account and get it verified. The video will appear at the top right hand corner. Okay, you can go and watch it. So we are in our Vantage now. At the top left hand corner, you will see that there is a live account with this account number. So you around that point, you are going to click this drop down menu. So you can see now all your accounts will be listed here. So I need a new live account, so I am going to click on new live account. So new live account. So you are going to choose which of the trading platforms do you want to use. Is it MT5 or MT4? I love MetaTrader 5, and it is obvious because MetaTrader 5 gives you one click button where you can just click buy and it takes you immediately into it. You don't have to click new order, begin to fill form, begin to fill stop losses the way it does on MT4. And if you have a lot of trades, multiple trades open, like you have 10 trades open at once, with one click button you will close all those trades on MetaTrader 5, whereas MetaTrader 4 you have to follow them one, and in a situation where you want to enter for a scalp during news, you want to close at once. Instead of using MetaTrader 4, price will come back and take your stop loss before you even finish on MetaTrader 4. Okay, so I choose MetaTrader 5. I prefer that one. So you now go, what type of account do you want to create on your Vantage account? We want to create a cent account, so it is the cent account that we want. So you can go for cent STP or cent ECN. Choose the cent STP. Accept their agreement by clicking this, accept it, and then you are going to click on submit. So your request for an additional account is successful. So you can now go to view your live account. Okay, so this is our cent account. Under the account, when you come, it has been created. When you click on it, you will see it here, cent STP account. So with this account now, you have a leverage of 1 to 500, and you can connect it to your MT5. I have made a video showing you how to connect your Vantage account to MetaTrader 5 so that you can directly trade there. It is very easy. Okay, so when you click over here, you will see the instruments that are available for you to trade on this cent account. You have indices like NAS 100, Nikkei, Dow Jones, a lot of indices of different countries. You have Forex, you have cryptos. They only offer Bitcoin in their crypto. And there are other cent accounts that I have mentioned about, such as XNES. They offer Bitcoin and Ethereum, whereas XM cent account, they offer different types of cryptos that are available for you as well. If you want to know how to create a cent account on XM, the video will appear at the top right hand corner. So this is the only crypto offered by Vantage in their cent account. When you come to metals, You have gold, you have silver, you have copper and others. So you have other ones as well. Shares of companies, you can trade them. Commodities such as US oil, they have it, and a lot of others. Even synthetic indices, they also have it on Vantage. So if you are interested in synthetic indices, they have it on Vantage for their cent accounts as well. Okay, so this was a simple video showing you how to create a Vantage cent account, and you can easily connect it. I told you there is a video showing you how to connect your Vantage to MT5. You can go back to it, click on it, you will watch it, how to connect it and how to trade it. Okay, so I have connected the Vantage account to my MT5. This is how it will look. You can click this plus button and you will see all the things that are available for you in the US cents. So the ones that are available for you are the ones having SC. Okay, so when you click on crypto, is only Bitcoin that is available. You can add it. Go back to your home by clicking this button. It will bring you here under CFDs indices. You can see, you can click all this, it will be added to your codes. Go back to the home key again. Under gold, you can see it. You click, it will be added for you. Go back again. So look for the ones that have S and C. For oil, S and C. Silver, S and C. For indices, you can still add them if they don't have S and C. Okay, you can still add them because those ones are standards. You can add them. When you are done, click the back button and come back to your codes, and you can see them over here. If you have added any money in it, of which I have also shown how to make deposits to your Vantage account, you will see the video will appear at the top right hand corner. Okay, showing you how to make deposit to Vantage account. And when you come over, once you have money, you can now begin to trade. You will see that, let's say we are under gold versus Japanese yen now. If you are to sell this at 0.01, you see your stop loss when you set it up at this point is going to deduct 24 cents. 24 cents. This is something that you can't do on a standard account that deducts in dollars instead of cents. Okay, and your TP2, your profit will be in cents as well. But the advantage of a cent account is for beginners to learn how to trade a live account, because any profit that you make from this, you can actually withdraw it, but it's in cents. So when you withdraw it, it will be converted to US dollars for you. Okay, but it will allow you that even with as low as 5 US dollars or 1 US dollar, because Vantage allows that. I have shown the video on that deposit I told you initially. Okay, so even with this, you can trade, because $10 is equivalent to 10 times 100, which will give you 1,000 cents for you to trade with. And imagine something is giving you 24 cents as the risk. It will help you to take trades compared to using a standard account or a regular account that if you deposit $5, you can't trade gold with $5. It's too small. Okay, when gold just moves small, even with the smallest lot, it has taken everything from your account and your account will go. Okay, but when you convert that $5 to a cent, you now have 5 times 100, which is like 500 cents. So you can actually risk maybe just 20 cents out of your 500 cents, and you see you will be better equipped trading that and using it to test your strategy to see if it is profitable. Okay, that is the advantage of a cent account. And with this video, I have shown you how to go about it on Vantage. If you have any other question on creating a cent account on Vantage, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.